In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the Binance Market Overview by coin type. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just diving into the world of cryptocurrency, understanding how to access and interpret the market overview can be invaluable. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a clear grasp on navigating the Binance platform effectively. Begin by heading over to the Binance website, the go-to hub for cryptocurrency enthusiasts seeking to engage with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a plethora of altcoins. If this is your first time visiting Binance, you might want to take a moment to explore the homepage, where you'll find a snapshot of the latest trends and information relevant to your trading interests. Now, once you land on the website, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Markets. This section is your gateway to a world of information on various cryptocurrencies. The Markets section is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of current market conditions, helping you make informed decisions. Upon entering the Markets section, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the screen. These are labeled Favorites, Spot, and Zones. Take a moment to swipe through these tabs. It's worth noting here that each tab caters to specific preferences or trading needs. The Favorites tab is particularly useful if you have preferred coins you follow regularly, while Spot and Zones focus more on general market conditions and categorizations. Next, let's delve into the Zones tab. By tapping on Zone, you can view the market organized by category with options like Innovation, DeFi, and AI. Each of these categories offers a unique insight into different segments of the crypto market. For instance, the DeFi tab might be your go-to if you're focusing on decentralized finance projects. This categorization allows you to streamline your focus, saving time and enhancing your overall trading strategy. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the Highlights section. This feature is a great way to catch wind of market peaks and trends, as it consolidates important data and details about high-performing coins. This can be particularly useful for traders looking to keep a pulse on top market movers. Finally, take your time browsing the coins listed under each category or type. Thoroughly familiarizing yourself with these lists will not only enhance your understanding of specific coin performance, but is also instrumental in spotting trends early on. This is an excellent practice for exploring emerging coin trends that could influence your trading choices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to navigate the Binance Market Overview by coin type efficiently. Remember, the more you explore and familiarize yourself with these tools, the more you'll enhance your trading prowess. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Binance.